Wait, no, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I was gonna say it wasn't gonna go under that. Well, it would have been that point, but. Now that's all the way next to his tire. Do we want it center?
Yeah, that's what I'm seeing. He might be able just to keep going.
Yeah, we might be done. We might be done pulling.
Jeremy, come forward a little bit. Stop! Stop! Hold on, you gotta stretch it to let it out. Slide.
All right, Jeremy, which way are you coming?
Pretty much just straight.
Okay.
You're good.
Well, you've got a big rock right there, so that's why I was.
I'm going around that big rock.
And just gonna try and ride this one. So driver tire on the edge here?
Yeah.
Okay. Perfect, thank you.
Here, unhook it real quick. That way you can see how far up you can make it and we can just hook it back up if we need to.
I'm done. There's no need to hook back up anymore.
That's why I don't think so.
So just pull the cable up. Everybody out of the way.
Yeah, good.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
Try and turn your tire into passenger. There you go. There you go. Whoa, 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 whoa!
Springs out.
Springs out.